Hey everybody, Ricky Timms here, and I would like to invite you to join me in 2022 for a fabulous quilt that's called Lemoyne Lily. Now, the blocks for this quilt are blocks that I won at an auction, and they're made from the 1800s. They're too fragile for me to actually put into a quilt, but I have designed these blocks and put them into the Lemoyne Lily quilt. I'm doing the quilt with the Lizzie Albright fabrics, and this is what it looks like with those fabrics. Of course, there will be a pattern coming out as well, but I'm having to do pre-orders for the kit. So if you'd like to join me and make this quilt with the original fabrics, you'll want to do your pre-order today because we don't have long before I have to order the fabrics and then get them prepared into the kit to ship to you. This is going to be a wonderful project for 2022. It's not actually a block of the month, but it certainly will feel like that because we're going to be able to do that together. I'll offer you some tips and videos along the way, so you're not going to feel left alone. I'll be right there with you every step of the way. I look forward to doing this quilt with you in 2022, but pre-order your Lemoyne Lily kit today.